Yo, what's up guys? I'm here teaching you the double half hitch today. It's a super awesome knot, a super useful knot. I use it all the time. You can use it for clotheslines, tying shelters up. So let's get into it, guys. So with this knot, one important thing to remember is that the long end will not move. That is a steady beam that's not going to move. You're going to tie the entire knot with the short end, and you're going to wrap the short end around the long end. So we're going to go in under, and then you're going to wrap around the loop once, and then you're going to wrap around the loop twice to form 2 loops on the line. And then you're going to go over the long end of the rope, and then you're going to go back down and up through that loop you just created. And then that right there is the double half hitch, which I like to call the camping knot. And the reason it's super useful is because you can pull on it all you want. It's not going to move. It's a loop that will not move, but you can slide it if you need to. It's super useful, super awesome. It's a good thing to practice and a good thing to remember. I use it weekly. Alright, enjoy yourselves guys. Peace out.